Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nisha and in this video I have come up with a Diwali festive look. Diwali is all about brightness and light. So I have created a glam and glowy look with spotlight glittery eye look, and I hope you like the makeup and the eye look. And if you do enjoy the video and find it helpful, then please click on the like button. And for your convenience, I'm going to list down all the products that I'm going to use for this look in the description box below, along with their links, so that you can easily purchase from those links. For other updates from me, do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page, links to which are again given below in the description box. And before we enter into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now without further ado, let's start off with the video. So first let's start with prepping and moisturizing the face, and I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's a primer plus moisturizer and it hydrates the skin, making it feel so soft and so smooth. Now I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer. It's a lightweight base tinted primer which evens out the skin tone, and it also minimizes the pores and fine lines and prepares a smooth skin for the makeup. Next I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Peach Corrector to color correct my dark circles. For my eyebrows, I am using the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. Next I am taking my MAC Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer in NC25 to even out my under eye area and my eyelid. And I am blending it out with a damp sponge. For foundation, I am taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation and I am applying it all over my face using PAC 353 foundation brush. And now with the damp sponge, I am blending the foundation to get a flawless finish. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer to highlight my under eye area and the high points of my face. And now with the help of the same sponge, I am blending it all again. Next I am taking the Forever 52 Spotless Glow Stick Foundation in shade Spelt for cream contouring my face. I am again using the same sponge to blend it all out. Now again I am taking the NYX concealer to cut the cream contour. So this is how I have sculpted my face using all the cream products. Now again I am taking the NYX concealer to clean my eyebrow, and also I am applying some concealer on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadows. Now I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to bake my under eye area, and always make sure to remove your creases before baking. Now using my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation, I am going to set the rest of my face. Now moving to the eye looks, today I am using the Root Cosmetics Whatever Forever palette. It has beautiful super pigmented 18 bright shades which includes both shimmers and matte, and the other palette that I am using is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow palette in bright. So first I am going to take this peachy orange color from NYX palette, and I am using my PAC 204 tapered blending brush, and I am applying it right in my crease and slightly above it, and I am blending it very nicely. Now I am taking the yellow color from NYX palette on the same brush, and I am blending it above my crease with the previous eyeshadow to soften down the peach eyeshadow above my crease. Again I am going to take the peach eyeshadow from NYX palette and apply it right below the crease to intensify the peach color. Next I am taking this dark green shimmery shade called Your Mom from Root palette, and I am applying it in the outer V and inner V of my eyes. And slightly spreading it in my crease. Next I am picking this shade called OMG from the Root palette and applying it in the center of my eyelid using a sponge applicator. I am applying this shade using my finger to get more intensity of this eyeshadow. Now slightly blending the green eyeshadow with the shade OMG. To add some glitter, I am taking Forever 52 Magnificent Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Hologram. First I am applying it in dots and then spreading it lightly with the sponge applicator. Now to add some golden glitter, I am taking Forever 52 Liquid Eyeshadow in shade Illusion, and again using the same process, I am going to apply it with the help of the sponge applicator. Now finally blending the green eyeshadow with the liquid glitter eyeshadow on the outer edges of my eyelids. Now again I am taking the green shade and applying it on my lower lash line, and then taking the shade OMG and applying it on the center of the lower lash line. Next I am taking my MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter in shade Whisper of Guilt to highlight inner corners of my eyes and the brow bones. Next I am taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. So created the simple winged liner off camera. For Kajal I am taking Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and I am applying in my lower and upper waterline. Next I am taking Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara to apply it on my upper and lower lashes. Now taking the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer for powder contouring my face and nose. Using the MAC powder foundation, I am softening out the nose contour. For blush, I am using my favorite NARS blush in the shade Orgasm. It's a beautiful peachy golden shade. Again, I am taking the same MAC highlighter Whisper of Guilt for highlighting my cheekbones, nose, forehead and high points of my face. And to set my makeup, I am using Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. It's an amazing fixing spray. It just gives you a fresh glow and a HD finish. For falsies, I am applying PAC 53 lashes. And finally for lipstick, I am taking MAC Matte Lipstick in shade Tropic Tonic. And here's the swatch of the shade. So done with the makeup and finally finishing up with a small bindi. Gajras in my hair, beautiful traditional karas, heavy jarao earrings and this traditional gota work lehenga chunni. So I hope you like this look and enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video then please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you have any question about this look or any other queries, you may ask me in the comment section below. So that's all for this video. See you again with a new one. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.